Hey everybody! Remember the song Rain that we sang by Ladysmith Black Mambazo? I wanted to sing it with you because it's a good song to practice. It has dance moves that go with us and it makes us feel good and celebrate the rain. Sing along with me. I'll teach call and response so you can learn it, and then we'll sing it all together. I'll go first. Oh, Ladysmith Black Mambazo is one of my favorite bands. They're from South Africa and they sing a cappella, which means it's no instruments, just their voices, which means they did lots of ear training, lots of rhythm training, lots of warming up and teamwork and vocal exercises. I'll send a link to where you can see this song performed by Ladysmith Black Mambazo too. Here we go. I'll go first and then you go. Ready? Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Your turn. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Again, my turn. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Your turn. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. My turn. New part. Oh, come, never come. Your turn. Oh, come, never come. Once more. My turn. Oh, come, never come. Your turn. Sweet this time. New part. My turn. Oh, come to me, beautiful rain. Your turn. And then it ends as it begins. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Your turn. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. The whole song through. Watch, because a couple parts repeat. If you mess up, play the video again, and we'll practice till we feel really good and we get all the moves. Ready? From the beginning. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Again. Rain, 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 beautiful rain. Oh, come, never come. Again. Oh, come, never come. Sweet. Just once. Oh, come to me, beautiful rain. Back to oh, come. Oh, come, never come. Again. Oh, come, never come. Sweetly. Oh, come to me, beautiful rain. Back to rain. Ready? Rain, 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 beautiful rain. And that's the end of the song. Now, see if you can teach these parts to the people in your family, and you be the director, and you direct who can sing the rain, who can sing the oh come, who can sing the never come, and who can sing the oh come to me beautiful rain. Or maybe you sing that all together. Maybe you even make a video and send it back to me. I'd love to see you singing. Thank you.